Hello and welcome to Prudent Media News. First, a look at the top stories. Goa government signs an agreement with 5 private hospitals to treat swine flu patient. Government says no plans to invoke Epidemic Act. Government servants still in a festive mood. Government offices partially functioning. Bosses says no trouble. Long pending demand of GMC fulfilled. Health Minister inaugurates PICU ward at GMC. Telescope completes 400 years, a recall of legendary tale of Galileo and his telescope. And Ranji coach Rajesh Kamath satisfied with team's training in Bangalore. Injured Sargun Kamath doubtful for opening match. Now the news in detail. The government has signed an agreement with 5 private hospitals in state to treat patients suffering from swine flu. Health Minister Vishwajeet Rane announced this while inaugurating the new pediatric ward at GMC. Rane also clarified, with this setup in place, the government has no plans to invoke the Epidemic Act of 1897.
Government has signed an agreement with 5 private hospitals in Goa to treat swine flu patients. With this agreement in place, patients can now receive treatment at any of these hospitals. Apollo Victor, Apollo Nusi, Manipal, SLVC and Vivus are the 5 hospitals.
Important private hospitals such as the Manipal Hospital, Vivus, SMRC, Apollo and Nusi have come on board as our partners to tackle this problem of swine flu. We have said, as far as SMRC Vivus goes, in a combination they are giving us 11 beds, Nusi is giving us 5 beds, Manipal is giving us 5 beds, and also which I left out, Apollo is also going to give us around 5 beds initially. I have asked them to increase the number. There will be a doctor deputed to assist people related to swine flu. Training will be provided by the Department of Health to these doctors. Necessary medication for swine flu will be made available through these hospitals, because now it is symptomatic. If the symptoms are there pertaining to swine flu, the guidelines are changing on a regular basis because we have to adjust to our own environment. Medication will be available through those hospitals once they make a requisition immediately from the DHS. People can opt to go to those hospitals. Same time, people can come for free service to our Chikalim and Madgaon, where we are trying to have another ward. Goa Medical College will only have the ICU facility for complicated cases. If he goes to a private hospital which is on board, he will have to pay the fees of that hospital. If we recommend to Goa Medical from our area to those hospitals, then we will have a different pay structure where government will compensate that particular amount.
Rane also stated that the government has no plans to invoke the Epidemic Act of 1897 as parallel arrangements to tackle the flu are done.
So we are not going to invoke the 1897 Act. We have got the private hospitals on board with us to solve this problem.
Our reporter Jason Suarez with video journalist Yashwant Parav for Prudent Media.
It seems like South holidays are not yet over for the government official. Government offices were seen with fewer people on Tuesday. Though their official South holidays are over, it seems like they are still in a festive mood.
Government servants seems to be in a festive mood even on Tuesday. The chairs in most of the government offices were empty. Even after continuous 3 days holiday on Saturday, Sunday and Monday, looks like these holidays were not enough for them. However, their bosses says that there is no problem with it. They say that there is an intercoordination among the concerned department.
50% ची हजेरी लावली आसा आनीक ही चवथ ही पारंपारीक परब आसल्या कारणान आमचे लोक वर्सान वर्स हे अंदूच शनी वर्सान वर्स चवथीची परब मनोवपाक लीव घेवन वता आनीक आमची जी कामां आसात कवरेजीस करप प्रेस नोट काडप ही आमची ताजेर कांय प्रॉब्लेम येना पब्लिकाक और मिनिस्टरांक जी अडचण जाता ती अडचण जावपाक आमी दिनात.
Whatever was our requirement, we know it, and most of them, we can contact them on phone, we can get them here. It's not a problem at all.
Looks like the general public also knows about the fact that government offices will be empty. Hardly anybody was seen entering the government offices. Our senior reporter from Panji, Rakesh Kanorkar, Laukik Shilkar with video journalist Ganesh Hotkar for Prudent Media.
A new ward of the Pediatric Intensive Care Unit at Goa Medical College and Hospital was inaugurated by Health Minister Vishwajit Rani. Rani said that the long-pending demand of having a pediatric ward was finally fulfilled, and that added that there are plans to upgrade the ward by getting more ventilators installed.
A long-pending demand of having a separate pediatric ward at GMC was finally fulfilled. The ward was inaugurated by Health Minister Vishwajit Rani along with Santa Cruz MLA Victoria Fernandez, MLA Francis Silvera, DHS official Dr. Rajnanda Desai, Dean of GMC Dr. V.N. Jindal and Chief Secretary Sanjay Srivastav. Rani stated that doctors specially trained in child care will be deputed at the PICU.
A long pending demand and one of its kind of facility in Goa, which we plan to upgrade and include more number of ventilators there. At the moment we have got 5 doctors who have been trained, who have done their diploma in child care and have been trained at the Vellore Medical College, and we are planning to take another 3 to 4 and we will also go. So we will have a good set of doctors to look after this PICU.
Our reporter Jason Suarez with video journalist Yashwin Parav for Prudent Media.
We are heading for a short break. Stay tuned.